welcome back, it's Sasha. Today I'll be showing you how to use the powder nail kit I got from Sistaco and some nail art using the powders. A quick overview about the brand. Sistaco is designed and developed in Australia. Their system is vegan, cruelty-free and nine-free, meaning it's free of the 9 harmful chemicals usually found in our products. The powders are completely mineral based and it's not a tipping powder or SNS, which typically is not good for your nails. This is the deluxe kit and it comes with this pretty marble box. In this kit you get to choose 3 colors, but they also have 1 color option set, which is the foundation set. But trust me, they have the most gorgeous shades, so I personally go for the deluxe one. But if you want more, they also have the ultimate color set and you'll get to choose 6 nail powders. Inside the box, you'll get instructions, quick drawing portable LED lamp and USB cord, color applicator, 3 nail powders, and I chose Classic Burgundy, Holographic Latte, and Violet Sky Holographic. You'll also get 1 base coat and 1 top coat and the mixing pots. This is the express remover, but it's not included in the set. I'm gonna start off with a Latte Holographic, which is a neutral shade with sparkles. Okay, before we start, we want to wash our hands first and then lightly buff your nails to remove any oil. Then apply base coat in a thin layer and don't go over the skin, but if you get some on your skin like I do, you can just wipe the sides with wet wipes. Then cure under the LED lamp, and what I like about the lamp is that it's already been set for 1 minute, so it will automatically shut off. This is a holographic color, so you want to rub back and forth and evenly apply the powder onto the nail. What I like about this system is that you don't need to be as precise as if you're applying nail polish. I know this looks messy, but you don't need to be worried because the powder is only adhering to the base coat. So don't bother cleaning them up now, you just need to wash your hands with soap and warm water after you've completed the last step, and they should come off pretty easily. You can use the other side of your brush to brush off any excess powders. Next, apply the glossy top coat. As you can see, I've cleaned the powder with wet wipes for the video, but you don't need to do this. Just wash your hands after the last step. The final step is to cure them under the LED light for 1 minute and you're good to go. I'd highly recommend Sistaco Nail Powder for those who want to have salon quality nails at home. It's so easy to use and so quick. It took me less than 15 minutes because unlike nail polish, you don't need to wait for it to dry and worry about smudging them or leaving sheet marks. That's the marks you usually get when your polish hasn't dried properly and you just go to sleep, leaving sheet marks in the morning, and I know that was frustrating. This system is also great for those who have shaky hands or aren't used to painting their own nails, because you don't need to be as precise as if you're applying nail polish. You can get as messy as you want. Personally, I find this system is also great for when you want to grow out your nails, because the gel-like base coat and top coat that act like a nail hardener, it is also long-lasting, and again because of the gel-like base and top coat. Sistaco has over 40 gorgeous colors to choose from. You can check out their website. I'll put the link down below, and you can use my discount code TASHA20 for $20 or £15 off for all at-home kits or collections if you're interested to try. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to do French tips using Sistaco Nail Powder, and I'll be using the color Classic Burgundy, so stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!